morning. It is February the 24th. This is a Friday. We are just releasing exports in the market, so we'll look at those. Welcome to our E3 Weekly Market Report. Taking a look first at cotton, we have the cotton sales very large, 367,200 running bales. That's up 65% from the previous week and 21% from the 4-week average. Increases were reported. Vietnam took 138,700 running bales. China took 68,900 running bales. Turkey took 42,100. Indonesia took 33,100. Bangladesh took 28,000. So a very good number here. The cotton market was up 66 before the report. It has reacted in a very bullish way. It's up 105 right now at 77.15, a high of 77.19. So the market is surprised by this number based on its reaction, and it is bullish. Let's look at soybeans. Soybean number 413,500. That's down 54% from the previous week and down 32% from the 4-week average. China took 274,900 metric tons. The Netherlands took 153,200 metric tons. Mexico took 143,200 metric tons. The soybean market was up 4.5 just before the report. Right now, the soybean market is up 3 3/4. Corn number, net sales of 743,100 metric tons. That's down 5% from the previous week and down 30% from the 4-week average. Japan took 449,000 metric tons. We've got Colombia taking 92,900 metric tons. Taiwan taking 89,700 metric tons. The corn market was unchanged just before the report. Now it's up 1/4, so it has moved very little. We've got the wheat net sales of 451,300 metric tons, and that is down 14% from the previous week and down 23% from the 4-week average. And looking at the numbers here, Japan took 98,800. Algeria took 82,600. Mexico took 69,500. Wheat was down 3.5 just before the report. Now it's down 3. So, good number in cotton. The other numbers were probably neutral. Let's just talk about recent activity in the market. The cotton market about a week ago made its low. This is for May cotton, getting down to 75.05. The high made here has been made today, actually off of this report, when it got to 77.19. That's been the activity over the last week or so. Old high made 2 weeks ago at 78.45. Expectations are for this market to revisit the 80 to 82 level, or to visit the 80 to 82 level. And there's a chance, with the still large amount of cotton on call that's unfixed from the mills, that we could get a surprise and see an even higher market. As far as hedging strategies go, would look to start a program, if you haven't already, of hedging December cotton at 74. Right now we are very close to that, just under 74. March soybeans. 8 days ago we made our high in March soybeans at 10.62 3/4. Today we've made our low since then of 10.09 3/4. Expect to find support between $9.90 and $10. Then to begin a move back up toward the high here of a week and a half ago toward 10.60. As far as new crop goes, would suggest, based on analyst talk, to be hedging November soybeans so we get back to the 10.30 to 10.40 level. Right now November soybeans are 10.06.5. March corn. About a week ago we saw a high of 380. Today we've seen a low of 365. Similar to soybeans, expect to find support in that market in the 360 to 362 level. Right now, it is in March corn 365 3/4. Then look for it to bounce toward 380. As far as hedging strategies for December corn goes, look to hedge corn somewhere in the area of 405 to 410 for December corn. March wheat, 7 days ago we saw a high of 462 1/4 for March wheat. Today we found a low of 435 1/2. Expect the support in the 425 level, then start to bounce somewhat similar to what beans and corn might do. Also for hedgers looking to hedge July wheat, if we get back toward 485 to 490. So let's revisit the market. The cotton market had its big surge. It was up 66 just before the report. Got up about 105 to 110. Right now we're back to where we're up about 80 in the May corn at 76.90 right now. Soybeans were up 4.5 before the report. Right now they're up 3. March corn was unchanged before the export report. Right now it's up 1/4. No real reaction with either of those. Wheat down 3.5 before the export number. Right now it's down 2, so it is starting to firm up. That's it. Thanks for joining us today for the E3 Weekly Market Report. Have a good day, and we'll talk to you later. Thank you.